Abdul. In this video, we're gonna continue our talk about grammar and subject-verb agreement. We're gonna talk about subject-verb agreement B on page number 3. Like we talked about before, a verb should agree in number with its subject, so singular subjects take singular verbs and plural subjects take plural verbs. We should remember that the number of a subject usually is not determined by a word in a phrase or clause following the subject. For example, Philip, along with Jane, appears in the school play. If we're reading such a sentence, we have to locate the subject. The subject here is Philip. The phrase along with Jane is an extra information. It's not the main assertion or the main subject of the verb of the sentence, sorry. So our subject is Philip and our verb is appear. Since Philip is singular, appear should also match the subject in number. So here we find appears with an S. Singular subject Philip takes singular verb appear. Again, Philip along with Jane appears in the school play. Next, another tip is a negative construction following the subject does not change the number of the subject. So if we look at this example, the coach, not the team members, chooses the captain. We should at first ask the question, what is the subject? Is it the coach or is it the team members? Is the speaker talking about a coach or the speaker talking about the team members? Of course, the speaker speaking is talking about the coach. So the coach is our subject, and since it's clearly singular, the verb chooses also matches it, so it's singular. With singular subjects, we choose singular verbs. Let's look at exercise A. Example 1. The front counter, in addition to the tables, is in need of a good cleaning. Here, the subject is the front counter, and since it's singular, we use a singular verb, is. The short stories in this collections are mysteries. The subject is short stories. Clearly, it's plural, so we use are. The star of the play, as well as the chorus members, was rehearsing. Here the speaker is talking about the star of the play. We should not focus our attention on the chorus members. The chorus members are not the main assertion of the sentence. This is just an extra information. The star of the play is the subject, and since it's singular, we use was. 3 letters by Thomas Edison were donated. Letters is the subject and it's plural, so we use were. The daffodils, not the dogwood tree, are in full bloom. A survey of the voters indicates their opinions on the issue. The subject of this sentence is the word survey. The speaker is talking about a survey, and survey is a singular word. 6. Crushed leaves from the verbena plant make a flavorful tea. Leaves is clearly plural. Lake Erie, along with Lake Superior and Lake Huron, is very deep. Again, the speaker is talking about Lake Erie, which is singular. The phrase along with Lake Superior and Lake Huron is an extra piece of information. It's not the main assertion of the sentence. The subject of the sentence is Lake Erie. A tax on both income and property was debated by the city council. Tax is singular. Immigrants from China were a major force in the building of the railroad. Several dogs, but not one cat, were inoculated against rabies at the clinic. The speaker is talking about dogs. The main assertion of the sentence is dogs, and the subject, ergo, is the word dogs, and it's plural. Thank you.